What is neurorehabilitation? A simple guide for stroke and neurological recovery. If you or someone you love has had a stroke, spinal cord injury, or condition like Parkinson's, it may feel like life is on pause, but through neurorehabilitation, we can hit play again. My name is Cyprian Argenta, a physiotherapist with experience in neuro rehab and recovery, both in Nigeria and here in Canada. I work with clients to restore brain-body connection, train muscles, retrain balance, rebuild working patterns, and even help with coordination and fine motor skills. Progress may be slow, but every little win counts. Every finger lifts, every step, every smile, all add up to help you recover from neurological impairment. In my culture, we say no condition is permanent. I believe in the human body's ability to heal, and I believe in your journey. You may be wondering, can therapy really help after a stroke? The answer is yes. Recovery, however, depends on the person, but physiotherapy surely helps retrain the brain and the muscles. What if my loved one can't walk or speak? We as physiotherapists, we start wherever they are. Progress happens over time with the right care, and that's what we offer. Is treatment covered by insurance? In most cases, yes, but don't worry about that. We will help you and guide you through that process. Can older adults benefit from neuro rehab? Absolutely. Age doesn't limit progress. We work with clients from 30s to even up to 90 years of age. That's what we do, and we have a record of success in doing that.